Hi. Do you need to look up new word definitions every day as a student or in your job? If you are learning English or any other language, sometimes you may be stuck with a word you do not recognize. If the dictionary lookup takes too much of your time, we have a solution for you. To get started, go to our website link, which is located in the YouTube description. Click on the Install button. You will be brought to the Chrome Web Store to begin installation. After installing the software, click on the software icon at the top right of the browser to start using our software. You just need to highlight one word or any text on any web page, then click on the icon that appears. Here is a quick example. After the text is highlighted, an application icon will appear. Click on the icon. Immediately a pop-up will appear and there is a full explanation of the text you highlight. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.